Hello, welcome back with another video with ENGR struggle. Okay, so we have this problem with the givens of B sub C, and this rod is 20 foot. That's V sub A. I'm not going to read the problem as always, so let's go with the given, which we have V sub A is equals to, you should read the problem. If not, like, why are you even doing the problem? If you want to copy, that's fine. I don't really care. That's left shown. Okay. It's not like I gotta learn it. It's all you, bro. All you. You gotta. If you can somehow cheat on the exam, that would, like, you would be golden. But like, if you're cheating on this class, what are you gonna do in structural analysis if you're a civil engineer? Just like me. Honestly, I did cheated throughout statics, but then okay, beta is equals to 60, but then I had mechanics and material, barely passed that course with a C, so cheating is encouraged. And we need to find for link AB, which is this part that we just lined, but that's gonna be V sub B, velocity of B, V sub A, velocity of A plus angular velocities of AB, that cross product with resultants of B over A, and just do the cross product, and you should get something. This part is going to equals to 1.667 cosines of 60 degrees I, 60 degrees because of the beta. So cosine, because I believe it's in the x-axis, so pi plus sines of 60j. And then we should just plug these into the calculator, and we should get something like r sub b over a equals to 0.833i plus 1.443j. And then for angular velocities of AB, cross product with this one. Dude, I absolutely hate to do the cross product. I'm just gonna, I did it on the paper, but I'm not gonna do it here. So how I record these videos is I will do them once before actually recording it, so I know how to do it, and here I am just doing these problems off of that chart. But I absolutely hate doing the cross product. It's so messy. Like, just chat it or something, and just like save yourself some time, because if you know how to do it, that's cool. If not, that's Calc 3 right there. You shouldn't have skipped it. Or physics, electromagnetism, I think. So if you don't know how to do it, learn, or else this is one thing that I would say you're not going to be cooked if you don't know how to do it. Because doing the cross product, I believe some calculators would be able to do, but then you got to be careful when you're doing an exam. If your professor is not like really on you, you can use one of those TI 84s. And yeah, so, but we also need to find for the link BC and point C, which is fixed. So point C is basically this one. It's a fixed support, can't be moved, it's static. Okay, and then we need to find for V sub B, vector V sub B, the angular velocities of B sub C, cross product with R B sub C. Remember we did the cross product of these two? It's going to be pretty similar to this one. So again, I'm not going to do it, but it's encouraged to do. Honestly, you don't have to do it either. I would just like chat this problem overall, and like you can be like, why am I watching this guy if like if I can just like chat everything? Well, I don't know. You're a retard probably. I would not watch me. I'm not a great professor, but aka I'm not a professor at all. I'm just like an undergrad trying to solve these problems just to prove to myself that I'm doing these actually, like, and trying to understand, like, without recording myself bullshitting over these videos. I wouldn't do it. I would skip homework completely, just like cheat my way out. So I gotta stop that, and that's why I'm recording these videos. So if you're watching, you don't I mean, watch it, but you don't have to. Okay, so we got the v sub b. There we go. That was a nice rectangle, and then we need to substitute it. Where were we with this? V sub b. Okay. All right. We have -4 for v sub b. Negative 1.443 WA sub b equals -0.722. Dude, this is like being desperate and doing these videos. Like, hopefully this is, I mean, I could earn from ad revenue and like start paying off gas money. It gets expensive. So, and this is we're matching components here, but this is going to be from the second equation to, okay, be careful because these are angular velocity, and the only reason I'm getting a W is because I'm doing this pretty fast. So, and just substitute it for that, we would have -4, 1.443 angular velocities of AB equals 1.443. So I always get it better on the second one. Let's see, so for this we have -4 equals to 2.886 velocities of AB. Angular velocities of AB, just go ahead and like divide this over. So then you would have like -1.39 radians, and then remember that you would have to multiply that by -2. BC equals, and then you would get something like 2.2, and then those return positive 0.77 radians, and that's about it. But honestly, these problems you wouldn't even need to create a free body diagram. Just know that if it's like negative, it's clockwise, and if it's counterclockwise, then it's positive. But for this one, we had we just did like the positive x, y method, so it's not that complicated. Yeah, that's it. Take care.